What's up, guys? East 4711 here, and today we are walking on the trail of New York City. Yeah, guys, so this is day 2 of a special vlog, and I don't know what to say. We're just riding up the trail, doing stuff, basically. Yeah, really good. It's a nice day, actually, to ride some bikes, and doing stuff. But I don't know what to say, guys. Who guys enjoying your day today? I know I am. Whoa, okay. Oh my god. This is off. Yeah, I'm just enjoying the day today, riding some bikes in New York City. Yeah, but I don't know what to say. Alright, see you guys in the next clip. Look how high up we are. It's like, this is some action shit, right? I don't know. This is just high up. I feel like my phone just dropped. Well, my iPod just dropped, but I feel like, this is high up. Like, literally, if you look at it right now, this is so high up, yo. Literally, we're like down there. Literally down there. I don't know, guys. Take a good look at the nice view. Oh my.
Get closer to the side.
Nah.
Get a little closer to the side.
Nah.
Huh? You are not.
That
How
was
are you going to get back
a
to
lot.
the van?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
I thought we just took the elevator down. Like you
When we
said.
get back, when we go back, we're gonna take the elevator.
Oh, my legs hurt. I can't get down. Oh.
Oh,
What kind is that?
this is mine, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just open like that.
Take mine.
Yeah, sure.
She looks like she's not going to make it. Ashley, look at me.
I wash my hands
yeah.
first.
Oh, I'm glad I bought that bag of Sun Chips. I'm really hungry.
I'm hungry too. I can't wait to start eating this shit.
What's on you? Was there second a video? You were.
What's this?
Yeah, nice.
This is so cool.
Come here, guys.
Parked here because I've been here the whole time.
Well, I was willing to stay. When was the last train going over?
It's May 8th, I believe 1973 or 1974. I should know that old. For some reason it went out of my head. I think it's 74.
Oh wow, that is.
I did see the fires.
Wow.
You'd think I'd remember.
That is cool.
Going back up?
Yeah, we're going right back up. There's plenty of room there.
Yeah, I don't know if it's going to fit a fifth bike on right now.
Hey,
Okay.
I can move stuff.
Okay. Okay. Okay, bye now.
That is.
Yeah, well, stop. Yeah, 21st floor.
Oh, 21st?
Yeah, this is the 21st floor.
Wow, that was crazy. That is,
Gets caught on it. It's
Wow,
that's,
was that cool or what?
that is cool. That was so cool. Literally, I want to do that again. Like, and that was so cool. Wait, where are we in? That's awesome. That's too cool. That was cool. That was so awesome. We're like literally on top of a bridge. If you guys didn't know, that just blows my mind. Still blows my mind, even though we've been under the bridge for a while. It still blows my mind. Like, I don't know how they made an elevator with this. This might have took them like 5 years to do, something like that. But this is just awesome. Now we are heading back from. We're getting back. We're on the trail. We're going directly that way back. And yeah, I don't know. But that was really cool. Like, that's like probably. For a second, when we went back and we were going to go to the elevator, like that long, like, it was high up. And going down is like the scariest part. Like, I thought I was not going to do it, but, you know, it turns out I did. That's crazy. Guys, we are making it back to New York. Peace. Yeah, I think we are back. I'm not sure though. But I'll see you guys in the vlog when we get back. Peace out. Woo! We're almost there, guys. How you feeling? Ooh, we are almost there, guys. Almost there.
This is the recording button. What the heck?
Made it. Whew. Look at those motorcycles. It's good.